Hello everyone, welcome to TA Book Play, your trading buddy. And welcome to the 8th episode of our daily updates video. And as usual, in this video we will be discussing 4 counters and 4 counters, 2 from the US market and 2 from the Malaysia market. And we will still be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider. If you know how to read the chart, then the chart will be able to tell you the hidden message in the chart. Alright, so before we proceed to the counters today, I would like to remind you that if you haven't watched our previous analysis on the Modena, so please click into our channel right now and to watch our last episode video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss our next video. Alright, so before getting to the counters, I would like to show you the chart today, which is the chart for the Bitcoin. Alright, as you can see, a warm gentle reminder over here. As you can see, the Bitcoin has just break the important support, alright, which is break the support of MA25, the MA50, and also as you can see, the moving average has performed a death cross over here, alright, a death cross over here, so that this shows the weakness and also the bearish sign of the momentum of the Bitcoin right now. Yeah, so where will be the next support? As you can see, support should be around this level. Yeah, should be around this level of 50. I see, let me see. Oh my god, yeah, should be around the support should be around 56,600. Yeah, should be around there. But so far I can see the bearish momentum is getting greater, so I'm not sure whether it can able to sustain. Yeah, for those who are having Bitcoin, if you're not buying low and if you're just trading recently, so you might need to take note. All right, you might need to take note on this. Okay, so after we discuss about Bitcoin, let's get into the first counter for today, which is the stock Therapeutics. All right. Okay, yeah, so this is one of the trending stock recently. Yeah, we can see some kind of money flowing into this counter. So in overall, I would say it seems to be a very potential chart. The reason is, as you can see, the the downtrend has started since March this year, and then it had been all the way down and trying to do a small rebound over here, but then it failed, and then continue the downtrend again, and then here we can see there's some money, there's some funds flowing in, and then you can see the chart itself has showing some sign of the trend reversal. Yeah, as you can see, I draw a circle for you. Yeah, as you can see, the moving average itself has performed a golden cross, and then the the candlestick has sustained above the MA10 for quite some days. Yeah, it's at least more than 2 weeks over here. So I would say in short term, the momentum for stock Therapeutics is more towards the bullish side. So it's still not a bad entry right now, because if you see in a longer time frame, it's just the starting of the trend reversal. Yeah, so it's very near to the bottom. So in terms of the risk of the ratio of the risk and reward, this entry right now is kind of attractive. Yeah, it's kind of attractive. So the point that you need to monitor is whether the price can sustain above the moving average. Yeah, you can use the moving average 10, or maybe moving average 25 as your support. So as long as it can sustain above the moving average, then the trend reversal, I would say, is probably successful ones. All right. Okay, yeah, so maybe I can draw a line of the support for you. All right, for stock Therapeutics, the support should be around this area. Yeah, should be around this price range. Yeah, as you can see, this is a previous high. Yeah, previous high, and then a small push over here, and then a small retracement, and supported on the line of 27 and around $27. Yeah, so this should be the support level right now. Okay. All right, so after the first counter for today, let's get into the second counter, which is a well-known company, Visa. Okay, so yeah, the reason I show you the chart for Visa for today is if you have aware in the market recently, most of the companies, they are dealing with all those payment system, yeah, payment gateway. Actually, they are having a very bad time right now, and it's been a ugly chart. I think it happened the same for PayPal as well, as we just mentioned in our last video. Yeah, yeah, it's a very weak and bearish right now. As you can see, the selling is quite intense. So I remember that in last video I have reminded and I mean warning you guys not to simply catch the falling knife. Yeah, not to simply catch, because as you can see, the downtrend is still very strong, and then it's all the way down, and it's been, it's still below the MA10. So how low it will goes, I have no idea. Yeah, so if you want to entry for this kind of stock, you just wait for a bottoming sign. Yeah, which is not yet to be seen right now. Okay, so let's get back into the chart of Visa. Okay, yeah, so it more or less the same, yeah. So besides, you can see the obvious downtrend over here, and the candlestick has been staying below the moving average. All these are the bearish sign of a chart. Yeah, so what makes it looks even bad, even worse, because it's the chart that, as you can see, there's two gap over here. Yeah, the first is here, and then the second one is here. All right, so you need to know that this kind of gap down that are existed in the downtrend chart means that the chart is very bullish. Yeah, plus that you can see that the dumping is coming with some huge volume. Yeah, so um, for me, I'm not looking good on this, because with this kind all this of bearish signal, I would say it may take some time at least to for the bottom, for the support. Then it may take longer time for it to perform a rebound or trend reversal. Yeah, so for those who are not having this stock, if for me personally, I wouldn't look into it right now. And for those who are holding it, I think you have missed the best timing to um, do that, to carry out an exit plan. So I would say that if I'm holding this stock, I would just maybe doing a counter shift. Yeah, I shift to another counter when there is a slight rebound of this counter. Yeah, because so far it's very bearish. Yeah, it doesn't even found support yet. Yeah, it doesn't even found support. So yeah, good luck to those who are still holding this. All right. Okay, so this is some my personal review on how can we evaluate this kind of downtrend and bearish counter. Yeah, so bear in mind of those bearish signal and don't get yourself trapped in it. Okay. All right, so we have talked about two US counter just now, and then we're moving into the Malaysia counter. All right, so the first Malaysia counter is YBS International. Yeah, so one of the recent superstar in our market, in Malaysia market. Yeah, so as you can see, despite the Malaysia market, the Malaysia index is performing kind of weak in overall, but then you can see that the chart of YBS is performing very well. Yeah, so this is the power of hot money. Yeah, when the hot money is in the stock, it can move regardless of the major, the macro environment. Yeah, so yeah, as you can see, this is a line that I draw before. The green line stands for the resistance, and the red line stands for the support. Yeah, so um, as you can see, this uptrend over here, yeah, is a bullish movement, and it all started with a gap up. Yeah, so as here what you can learn is a gap down together with the moving average golden cross is a very bullish signal, yeah, in order for the counter to start a bullish trend. Okay, so so far, congratulations if you are riding on this stock. Yeah, for those who are not, I would not recommend you to chase at this price level because it's already I mean, it should be a little bit of overbought. Yeah, so if you want an entry or even a ride on this stock, maybe you can wait for some retracement, some correction. Yeah, so the immediate support right now is at a price of 55.5 cents. All right, so maybe you can find an entry around this level. Then your risk is should be lower if there is any reversal or there is any surprise. I mean the bearish surprise that's going to happen. Yeah, so yeah, this is the some review on this chart for YBS. Okay, so now in overall still very bullish. For those who have, just continue holding and set your trailing stop. All right, so there shouldn't be any problem right now. Okay, next we look into the chart of CEKD, which I suppose it to be another potential superstar. Yeah, potential superstar because this is a newly listed company. Yeah, which is just listed on end of September. Yeah, so in overall you can see that not much, I mean not much selling after the day of listing, and then they absorb all the way up. Yeah, all the way up and hit the price of 111 cents. So making a small corrections and a small consolidation over here. So the green line, as you can see, the green line itself is the resistance of 99.5 cents, and today's closing, yeah, it closed at 1 ringgit sharp. Yeah, so it had just performed a minor breakout. Yeah, minor breakout which are not obvious. So um not a big I mean not much to monitor from this chart because it's just listed, but as I see right now, it's a very healthy movement. Yeah, healthy movement, and as you can, there's some volume coming in with some collection and pushing up, absorbing all the stocks, but then you don't see any dumping, you don't see any selling over here. So I assume this counter should be able to perform in short term should be able to perform at least I think it have the chance to break the resistance. I mean at least 1 ringgit and 3 cents, which is not far from now. Yeah, so this historical high is at least this level. Yeah, 1 ringgit 11 cents. So for me, as long as the price can sustain above 1 ringgit, yeah, on 99.5 cents, which is considered as a important support right now. So as long as the price can sustain above 1 ringgit, I think in short term, a very big potential for it to create another new high. Yeah. So after all, um, it may still be affected by the market sentiment. So if you want to trade in it, so make sure you have an image on how the market sentiment and overall will works. All right, so don't get yourself trapped, as what I said just now. All right, okay, so these are the 4 counters that I'm going to share with you today, and I hope you have learned something from this video. Yeah, especially on the part of technical analysis and how we read a chart. All right, so please comment below for if you have any feedback on our content, or if you have any, I mean any counters that you want us to do analysis. Yeah, feel free to comment, and don't forget to hit the like and share button if you like our content, and don't forget, which is very important, to subscribe our channel right now, and make sure that you don't miss our next potential stock analysis video. Alright, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.